and shine. It's Christmas time, WHB. I'm Charlie Beasley.
And I'm Owen Jessup, and welcome to the Period 4 Holiday Extravaganza.
I wish I could be a little second grader again. Don't you?
No, not at all. But I did hear that the crew went down to the Emo Elementary School.
Let's check it out.
Last week, Santa Claus came down from the North Pole to visit East Merches Elementary School and spread some holiday cheer. After all of his ho 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 hellos, Santa sat down with all the boys and girls in Miss Canan's class and read them a Christmas story.
Ho ho ho's! Even his mustache had the holiday spirits.
After hearing all about mistletoe, the students got crafty, creating their very own mistletoe-inspired decorations.
That way they don't get mixed up.
Then, Santa asked the children to share their
What
Christmas
do you want
wishes.
for Christmas?
Slime.
What color slime?
Pink.
What do you want for Christmas, Shay?
A dirt bike.
Oh! High five. What do you want for Christmas?
Lego sets.
What type of Lego sets?
Any kind.
Oh, high five. Miss Canan, what does it take to be on the nice list?
Well, you have to be kind and helpful, and you have to do all the laundry at home, put away all of your own clothes, clean up all of your dishes if you want to be on that nice list.
Before he headed back to the North Pole, Santa was sure to collect letters to bring back to the workshop. The visit wrapped up with visits with some of East Merch's favorite teachers, making this a visit to remember for everyone. We wish you all a season filled with magic and joy.
You think those kids have ever been left alone at school?
I wouldn't doubt it.
Well, have you?
Maybe I have.
Get your popcorn out, folks. Rumor has it Charlie got left behind. Let's take a lookie.
Charlie, it's all your fault. Now the holiday's ruined. Good ISS.
Oh, sweet. No teacher.
I'm locking up for 2 weeks, getting ready for my holiday break. 2 weeks out of here.
I think I've learned my lesson. Where is everybody? There's gotta be food here somewhere. Ah, book of her. Cashews? No Chick-fil-A? Oh, book of her. You dirty dog. Can't believe I got sent to ISS.
Yeah. Did you hear that Brody's on the top of Rose's nice list?
That's surprising. I wonder what else is going on in the hallways.
The fine gentleman of Period 4 Hurricane Watch took to the hallways to see what goes down in December.
Let's unwrap it.
What would you like for Christmas, young boy?
Some clothes and like a puppy.
Nice. Ho, ho, ho. Feliz Navidad. Yo, Hafter, what's the name of your mensch on the bench?
It's Rylan.
Mine's Bob.
Rosa, who's the #1 person on your nice list?
Brody Schaefer.
Gotta love it. Nico, if you could choose 2 people to be on your team for a snowball fight, who would it be?
Probably have to be Gianluca Arena and Reed Groff.
What's your best and worst gift you've ever received on Christmas?
I'll start with the worst gift. A pair of Caldor burgundy sweatpants with side pockets. Tossed them over my shoulder. Best gift, I would say, is the Millennium Falcon.
We're here with Ron. Ron, what are you asking for Christmas?
I want me a new Scat Pack Charger, you heard me? Go 50 down that lane, you feel me?
Hey, what's your favorite holiday pastime?
I just love making gingerbread houses.
I heard things got heated at this year's gingerbread house challenge.
Doesn't surprise me. I take my gingerbread very seriously.
Let's take a gander.
Today we're going to see which town has the best gingerbread house building skills. Come meet the teams. I'm here with Team East Mauritius. What's your game plan?
We're just going to take down the competition. No one else stands a chance.
Team West Hampton, who's your biggest competition?
There is no competition.
Especially not Remsenburg.
What does Quag bring that no one else does?
Schmidt's Deli.
Nikki, what's your pregame hype-up song? Love Sosa? Jordan, what about you?
Rocking around the Christmas tree.
East Quag, what did you do to prepare for the competition?
Many hours of hard work.
I want to thank my friends, mom, dad, family for this.
It's time to start. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Each team was given 30 minutes and supplied materials to build the best gingerbread house.
Are you ready for some gingerbread houses?
Oh god.
No, sabotage. They stole it.
5 minutes left.
I knew Remsenburg was going to sabotage.
Sabotage us. I don't know.
Fake. How'd you guys feel about the tension in the room?
I'm like a little nervous that someone's gonna come after our house now.
Time's up in 3, 2, 1. Hands up. No! He's been No bribery! I'm here with the judges, Danye and Sam. Let's see what they think.
I'm picking house number 4 because I really like the storyline behind it.
And I'm picking house number 3 because I really like the decorations and the way it was done.
Since there was a tie, we posted a poll on the Hurricane Watch Instagram. Let's see who won. Remsenburg, what happened?
Our friends at West Hampton decided they were going to turn into Wreck-It Ralph mid-competition.
That's a lie. They deserved it. They stole all our mints.
We only took mints. No. They did not deserve that much.
Congrats to Emo for taking home the title.
I guess some just want it more than others.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
Wait, why are we singing?
I'm just so excited for this music video.
Let's pop our listening ears on.
Someone
that's just about all we got.
I feel like we nailed it.
Coming up, a 2-week vacation. Who approved that?
I don't know, but I'm sure excited.
See you when we get back in January.
Have a happy holidays, WHB.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and I'm trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let it snow is blasting now, but I won't get in the mood.
Hard no. Get out.
Sorry.